Welcome to the Surrey History Centre. There are over 1 million items on over 6 miles of shelving in this building, all telling the history of the county of Surrey. But unlike in a museum, at an archive you can actually handle the historical records. This is Natasha, she's a student and is going to show you how to use the archive. When you arrive, you need to sign up at reception and show some ID with an address on it. To keep the collection in best condition, you can only take a phone, a notebook and a pencil into the main reading room, and these need to go into a clear plastic bag with all your other stuff left in a locker. Head through to the reading room and look up the papers and records that you want to see. Jot down the reference numbers and order your items on the computer. There's time for a quick coffee, as it can take up to 20 minutes to retrieve your order. Collect your item from the desk and take it to the tables in the middle of the reading room. Here you can have a really good look at the documents and make your own notes. This book dates from the 1870s. It's well wrapped and as you can see it's pretty heavy. You can take a photo of the records or ask the staff to make a digital copy. Either way there'll be a small cost. Hope you had a really interesting day with us at the Surrey History Centre. Come back soon.